That's the little boy. What's he doing? What's he doing? Let's see how big you are. Oh, that's a big yawn. Mama's coming to investigate. She says, where's my little baby? Hey? Where's my little baby? Oh, he's so cute. His fur is growing and his eyes are opening. Yeah, I see a little glimpse of an eye in there. Oh, look it. Wait, there's a little baby. Let's see him on the floor for a second. Say, hello, everybody. I'm a little baby bear. Hey? Yeah, that's Bear's little babies. Look how cute. Oh, Mama's coming to smell her baby. Make sure it's hers. Yeah, it's hard to walk on that floor. Won't be long to be running around. Say hello to your new parents. Hey? Yeah, Sandra and Giancarlo. That's right. It's so cute. They're very healthy. Oh, big yawn. Say bye-bye.